Hello everyone, this is my review of the FITINDEX Body Composition Scale, an excellent tool for tracking your health and fitness progress. It provides 50 body composition measurements, including BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and more, making it a comprehensive solution for anyone serious about their fitness journey. The 8-electrode system ensures precise readings, and the scale supports up to 400 pounds, accommodating a wide range of users. The integration with FSA or HSA eligibility adds great value, making it an affordable option for those with flexible spending accounts. The smart functionality is seamless, syncing easily with health apps to store and analyze your data. The scale itself has a sleek and modern design, fitting well into any bathroom. Overall, the scale combines accuracy, functionality, and style, making it a must-have for anyone looking to monitor their health metrics consistently. I highly recommend it for fitness enthusiasts, and I hope this review helps.